chicken raising for eggs can be integrated with fish culture to reduce costs on fertilizers and feeds in fish culture and maximize benefits. Layer chicken can be raised over to the ponds and the poultry excreta recycled to fertilize the fish ponds. Raising layer chickens over the pond has certain advantages. It maximizes the use of space, saves labor in transporting manure to the ponds, and the poultry house is more hygienic. The chicken house can be constructed over the pond, at least half a meter above maximum pond water level. The house can be made of bamboo or any other locally available cheap materials. Enough cross ventilation should be maintained to keep cool during hot days. 30 to 50 layers can be raised over a pond of 1,000 square meters. Each bird requires 3 square feet floor area. Floors are to be constructed with bamboo slats with 1 centimeter gap to allow excreta to fall into pond, but not wide enough for the chicken's feet to get caught in between and injured. For the first 16 weeks, feed is given at the rate of 80 to 110 grams per bird per day, and from 17th week onwards, 110 to 120 grams per bird per day. Water should be provided at all times. Layers start laying after 22 weeks, and 250 to 280 eggs per bird per year could be obtained. No significant differences have been observed on the chicken's growth or egg laying when they are raised over the ponds or on land. Egg laying becomes uneconomical after chickens reach the age of 18 months when they need to be replaced. Temperature in the poultry house should always be above 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. When the temperature goes below this level, hang 2 200-watt bulbs or 2 kerosene lamps for every 50 chickens. The first 14 days, chicks need to be raised separately in a brooder, as they need higher temperature of 28 to 33 degrees Celsius. Each chick during this period needs a space of 7.5 square centimeters. No feeds need to be given, as the feed spilled by chicken fall into ponds, which could be as much as 10%. No fertilizer is needed, except for excreta of chicken falling into ponds. Harvesting of fish could start 6 to 7 months after stocking, when some fish reach table size. When water becomes deep green, due to plankton blooms, oxygen in the water may get depleted, and fish may die. In such cases, put mats or plastic sheets below the poultry house to catch the chicken excreta and suspend nutrient inputs for 1 to 3 weeks. If possible, immediately irrigate the pond with fresh water. It required a higher level of investment and managerial skill.